Good morning, I am Shashi Gurun and welcome to Online Learning Programming in C++. In today's video lecture, I will discuss on the topic that is manipulator. I will also discuss what are the manipulators available in C++ and why we use these manipulators and how it can be implemented in the program. So let's start with the topic that is manipulator. Manipulator are basically the helping function or they are the keyword which are used for the formatting of input and output data. That is how the output can be displayed on the screen by the programmer. There are two types of manipulator. The first type is manipulator with parameter and the second is manipulator without parameter. In manipulator with parameter function are used. Suppose the function is set w, set fill. So these are some function which are used in manipulator with parameter because here in this function the parameter or the value is passed. In manipulator without parameter handle is used, that is this is a keyword without having any parameter, and there are many others manipulator which are without parameters. So handle is mostly used. Handle is to insert new line, that is it will display the output in the next line. Suppose the program is cout high and after that the cout by, so the output will be high by. It will display in a single line, but I want this output in another way, that is high and by. So I will use here and L. Now this time it will print like this, high and by. So this and L manipulator is used to insert new line and will print the flowing output in the new line. Now the second manipulator, that is manipulator with parameter, is set w. The set w is a function which is used to set the width of the field, that is output field. Suppose set w 5, then the output field will be like this: 1 2 3 4 5. 5 spaces will be there. So when the programmer write, that is cout set w5, and after that it is printing the value 1 2 3, then in the output field the value will store like this: 1 2 3. So it will print 1 2 3. So this unused space will be displayed. In order to fill this unused space, you can use set fill, that is set fill, and within the bracket you can use any value, that is single quotation. I am using star. So when this set with 5, set fill star 1 2 3 is written, then it will print like this: 1 2 3. There is a 3 character, now 2 characters left, that is 2 spaces is left because the size is 5. So in this space the star will be used. So this is a purpose of set fill, that it will fill the unused space with the character. Now there is a sometime differences is asked between handle and slash n. So handle is a manipulator and slash n is a character. The purpose of both is to insert new line, but there is a minor difference. The handle in handle the flushing of output buffer is done, whereas in case of slash n there is no flushing of output buffer, which means when the output is to be displayed, then there output buffer where all the values are stored, and when the handle command is used, then all the values in output buffer are empty, whereas in case of slash n it is not empty. So there is no flushing of the output buffer in case of slash n, but there is a flushing of output in case of handle. To use manipulator, we have to use header file, that is io manip.h. All the function, that is set w, set fill, and other manipulators are all defined in this header file, whereas the handle is defined in iostream.h header file. So even if you don't include the io manip header file, and if you use handle, then even then it will perform the operation, that is it will print in the next line. So this is a program. You can see that the first is header file is include, that is iostream conio, and for the manipulator io manip.h header file. After that, in the void main function, clear function is used, and after that there is a instruction, that is cout, to display the output, that is x equal to 1, and in the end I have used handle. In the next line the value will be printed, that is y equal to 2, after that handle, and in the third line, that is z equal to set w. So here the value of parameter is 5, so the width of the field will be 5. Set field, that is star, in the unused spaces the star will be filled up, and the value 1 2 3 will be printed in a right aligned. So I executing this program, so you can see that x equal to 1, y equal to 2, that is after x equal to 1 we have used handle, so it is printing the value y equal to 2 in the next line. Again after that I have used handle, so it is printing the value of z in the next line. In the third line we have used set w, so the field width is 5, and I have also used set fill, that is within the function I used asterisk operator, that is multiply operator. So in the unused space this asterisk operator is filled up, and the value 1 2 3 is printed in a right aligned way. So this is manipulator. So I hope in this video lecture you have understood what is a manipulator and why we use this manipulator and how it is used in the program. So you can make any program and see the output without using any manipulator, and after that using manipulator see the output. So you will find some difference there. So that's all about manipulator. Thank you.